Welcome to the ultimate grilling experience with our 4-in-1 gas and charcoal grill combo with smoker. This grill offers unmatched flexibility and functionality for all your outdoor cooking needs. With both gas and charcoal grilling options, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. Whether you prefer the convenience of gas or the rich flavor of charcoal, this grill has you covered. Built from cold-rolled steel with a powder coating, this grill is designed to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. With separate zones for gas and charcoal grilling, this grill offers a spacious cooking area that can handle large gatherings with ease. Take your cooking to the next level with the side gas stove and smoker. Perfect for preparing side dishes or adding a smoky flavor to your meals. Designed with convenience in mind, this grill features a trolley design with ample storage space and easy maneuverability. Ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Click Add to Cart now and enjoy fast shipping from our fulfillment center in California. Don't miss out on this versatile and stylish grill.